Dear students, a warm welcome to the physics class. Today we will discuss some important terms. Now first, least count. The smallest value that can be measured with the help of measuring instrument is called least count of that instrument. For example, with the help of this meter scale, we can draw minimum 0.1 centimeter length. So 0.1 centimeter is the least count of this meter scale. Okay. Similarly, with the help of vernier calipers, we can measure 0.01 centimeter length. Minimum. We can measure minimum 0.01 centimeter length. So this is the least count, least possible count for vernier calipers. Okay. Now next, significant figures. The number that are known reliably plus first uncertain digit. The digits that are known reliably plus first uncertain digit is called significant figure. Okay. If I want to measure the length of this marker, and I found the length of this marker is 7.63 centimeter. Okay, then 7 and 6 are reliable number, certain number, but the last number 3 is uncertain number, doubtful number. Okay, so the combination of reliable number plus uncertain number, doubtful number is called significant figure. Okay, now here are some numbers and their respective significant figures. Now look this number. In this number, all numbers are non-zero number. So we will count every number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So significant figures will be 5. Okay. Now look at this number. Here is 0. When 0 comes between two non-zeros number. Okay, here is 1, left side and right side is 5. Then if 0 comes between two non-zeros number, then we count this 0 as a significant figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this number, significant figure is 5. Again, now in this number, there are trailing zeros. 2 zeros which are trailing zeros. So we do not count these zeros as a significant figure. So there will be 1, 2, 3. Only 3 significant figures. Okay. Now again, here after this number, I write kg, I write meter. Okay. So these two numbers are observed real values. Observed real values. We measure this. This is the measurement. Okay. This is not a number. This is a measurement of any quantity. In kg, in meter. So we count every number. Okay. We count every number as a significant figure. So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 significant figure. 1, 2, 3. 3 significant figures. We count 0 as well. Okay. Now, next. Here are the examples of decimal. Now, there are zeros, but zeros are in middle. Here is 1 non-zero number and here 5 non-zero number. So we count every number. Okay. Irrespective of this decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there will be 5 significant figures. Now again, decimal. Here is a decimal point, but before decimal point there is 0. So we do not count this as a significant figure. Okay. We also left this and this 0 and count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are only 4 significant figures. Okay. Now again, there is a decimal point 0. Okay. But before the decimal point, there is a non-zero number. So we start counting from here. And again, when decimal points comes, then we also count the trailing zeros. So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 decimal, 6 significant figures. Okay, so here I explain significant figures with the help of some examples. Okay, so this is very easy topic. I think you understand the topic. Okay, so thanks for watching. Thank you.